Hey everyone, welcome back to For Wheels Empire. Today, we're tackling a common engine trouble code, P0524. This code indicates low oil pressure. Let's dive into what it means and how to fix it. Stick around to save money and avoid headaches. P0524 code if it detects an unusually high oil pressure reading from the engine oil pressure sensor or switch. This can be caused by a defective sensor, wiring issues, mechanical faults in the oil pump, or restricted oil passages. Check engine light, oil pressure warning light, oil pressure gauge, engine noise, engine performance, vehicle stuck in limp mode, engine won't start. Before we dive in, here's what you'll need: OBD-II scanner, socket wrench set, replacement oil pressure sensor, a clean oil filter if replacing, engine oil if needed, clean rags. Gather these tools, and let's get started. Locate the oil drain plug on your vehicle, and place an oil collection pan underneath it. Use a socket ratchet to remove the plug from the oil pan on your vehicle. Once the plug is removed, the oil should start flowing out into your collection pan. Once all the oil is drained, replace the drain plug and tighten it back on. The oil filter is usually located beside the oil pan, or under the hood of your vehicle, near the engine. Place the collection pan under the filter. There would be oil in the filter itself. That could be hot, so it is important that the oil goes into the collection pan. Spread a bit of fresh oil evenly on the new filter's gasket. Then install the new oil filter. Tighten the filter an additional 3/4 of a turn. Be sure not to over-tighten. To fill the vehicle with fresh oil, you should first locate your oil fill cap at the top of the engine. Clean the cap before removing it. Take the cap off and place the funnel into the opening. Add the amount of oil specified in your owner's manual, and then replace the cap. After the oil change, start the engine and let it run for a minute to bring your oil pressure up, and recheck your oil level. To check oil levels, pull the dipstick out and clean it off. Replace the dipstick and pull it out again. The oil should be near the top dot or fill line. If it is close to the lower dot, you'll need to add more oil. If your oil levels are good, replace the dipstick and shut the hood. Place the used oil from your collection pan into an airtight container with a screw-on cap. Make sure the oil is cool before transferring to the container. Used motor oil can be recycled at most auto stores or at recycling centers. The oil pressure sensor is most often mounted in the engine block or the cylinder heads. Carefully remove the oil pressure sensor from your vehicle. Visually check the oil pressure sensor's electrical connections and metal tabs for any damages. If the damages are found, replace the oil pressure sensor. Once the new sensor is installed, use your OBD-II scanner to clear the P0524 code. Start the engine and check for leaks around the sensor. Take the car for a short test drive to ensure everything is working properly. And that's it. You've successfully diagnosed and fixed the P0524 error code. Regular maintenance is key to keeping your car running smoothly. If you found this guide helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to For Wheels Empire, and hit the bell icon for more car repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.